What is Stacks, STX? Stacks is a cryptocurrency project that seeks to unlock the full potential of the Bitcoin blockchain by bringing smart contracts and decentralized applications to Bitcoin. Originally known as Blockstack but rebranded to Stacks in 2020, the project was designed as a Layer 1 solution that uses Bitcoin as its base layer. The platform is powered by the Stacks, STX, token, which fuels the execution of smart contracts, the processing of transactions, and the registration of new digital assets. The philosophy behind Stacks comes from a feeling held by some that the internet is not the decentralized means of exchange it could be, and that big players like Google and Facebook have too much power over ordinary users. It is this power that led Google to adopt the unofficial motto, "Don't be evil," which it later dropped in 2018. The idea behind Stacks is to design online architecture in such a way that companies can't be evil, a motto the developers adopted and even pasted onto a billboard across the road from Google's California headquarters. Because Stacks is a Layer 1 ecosystem anchored to Bitcoin, the smart contracts it brings to Bitcoin do not change any of Bitcoin's features, including the very things that make it so popular, its security and stability. Stacks apps are open and modular so that developers can build on top of each other's apps and generate features that wouldn't be possible otherwise. Additionally, because Stacks uses Bitcoin as its base layer, everything that happens in the Stacks ecosystem is backed by the most secure blockchain out there. How does Stacks work? The way Stacks works centers on the interaction of two parties, miners and stackers, not stakers. Their interaction is regulated by a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of Transfer, or POX for short. It might come as a bit of a surprise, but in the Stacks blockchain, miners don't actually mine anything. Instead, they exchange BTC that has already been mined from the Bitcoin blockchain and committed for a chance to earn STX coins. The thing to know here is that each block mined on the Stacks blockchain stores user identity and transactional metadata, and uses this to interact with all of the applications in the Stacks ecosystem. Because it is connected to Bitcoin, any changes made to Stacks IDs or wallet balances can be verified using the Bitcoin blockchain. This also applies to Stacks smart contracts, which are written in a special coding language developed and tested for Stacks by Algorand. All of the remaining data that isn't stored on the Stacks blockchain is stored using a bespoke storage system called Gaia. This novel storage solution relies on cloud storage providers like Azure and Dropbox, but also gives users the option to sidestep cloud storage in favor of their own cold storage solution, provided they have the requisite computing power. The Stacks coin, STX, is the native cryptocurrency token of the Stacks ecosystem and underpins all of this by being used to register digital assets to the Stacks blockchain, including user IDs and smart contracts. Please like, share, and subscribe.